Hello, good morning, everybody. This is 4th of July. So today I'd like us to start analysis with the chart on my screen. I'd like us to start with the GBPUSD. So we look at it on the monthly time frame. We see exactly what we expect to be happening this month. So we had a very good support here. I still believe this is a very good support. You can see that it was used on this day, this on this month here. It was used as a good support. It was used here as a good support. It was used here as a support here. We had a support here. And then currently as we're speaking, the price is still around the same place. So basically, this here is the best place to look for a buy from. If you're a long-term trader, you're looking for something to trade for this month, you should be looking for a buy position from around these two lines. The line at the top, this one. So this line here, this is 1.22316. Then the one at the bottom is 1.21092. So as long as the price is held within these two lines, I want us to look for buy position. We expect the buyers to push price upwards, at least up to this midline, which is 1.29071. In case the price ascends above it, then we do expect it to continue upwards, at least up to this point here. So basically this is a good place to look for a buy from. We are buyers up to this point here. If the price breaks above this level, then we do expect it to continue upwards, at least up to the next level, which is this one here. So this is what I expect to be happening during this month. I'll be looking for buy positions. I'll be looking for very good buy positions, especially as long as the price does not break below the lines which I've drawn. So as long as the price does not break below these lines, then this is going to be a very good place to look for a buy from. So the next chart is US dollar Japanese yen. So this chart, so far we've seen price continue massively to the upper side. We've seen the buyers take very good control. This is for how many, since the beginning of the year, the price has been very much bullish. You can see that here. We had a buy, we had a buy, we had a buy. And as we're speaking now, the price has just broken above a very good resistance. So we had a resistance here. You can see that the price opened here. It closed above it. So this is a sign that we may see price continue upwards. We may see buyers continue to push price to the upper side, at least up to this level here. So we are going to look for a buy position. We are expecting the buyers to push us upwards up to this level here. And in case the price does not continue up to this point, that is in case it goes down and ends up closing below this line here, this line, then we do expect the sellers to push price downwards, at least up to this level here. So basically we are into a buy. We are looking for buy positions, but if the price does not buy off, then we may expect to see sellers to push price downwards up to this level here on the monthly chart. So the next chart I want us to look at is the EURUSD. So with the EURUSD so far, the same thing we saw happening on GBPUSD is the same thing we expect to be happening on EURUSD. The two instruments are correlated, but as it appears here, it looks like we may see the sellers dominate here, because we had a support here, we had a support, we had a support, we had a support. There is this breakout. So as we're speaking now, the price is below these two lines, which means we expect the sellers to push us down up to this point here. If the price breaks below this level, then we do expect it to continue downwards, at least up to this point here. So basically, as long as the price is held below these two lines on EURUSD, we are sellers. But since the GBP is showing us a buy, I'm a bit reluctant to look for a sell here. I want the two symbols to give us the same signal. That is, if we are seeing a buy, on EURUSD, we expect the same buy on the GBPUSD. So that would mean that as we are speaking right now, I'm not decided whether I'm supposed to buy EURUSD, but the buy on GBPUSD is very sure. So I'll assume that this may also likely follow this. So that is, the EURUSD may also likely continue to the upside. So I may also be tempted to look for buy positions here, at least up to this level here, where should the price ascend beyond it, then my next target is this line here. So the next chart I want us to look at is gold. So with gold, so far we've seen price attempt to break above a very key resistance zone. We have a very good zone where I'm just highlighting now. So we have that one there. You can see that the price broke above it, it came below it, it came back again, it tried going up, but somehow it's not able to break above this zone here. So while the price is below this zone, we are looking for sell positions. We expect the sellers to push price downwards, at least up to this point here. If the price breaks below it, then we do expect it to continue downwards, at least up to the next level, which is 1364.98. So this here will be the best place to look for a sell from up to this point. If the price breaks below it, then we do expect it to continue downwards, at least up to this level here. So that should be my view on gold. My next chart is the SP500. So with the SP500, we closed as a sell. You can see for the first time in the entire history of this instrument, this is the first time you're seeing a very big pullback. We had a pullback here. Let's see, this was how many pips. We had like this is 12,167 pips here. Okay, this is almost the same as the retracement we had here. So this is 12,952, 955. Then this one here, from this point up to this point, it is 11,704 pips. So that would mean we are almost approaching the pullback which we had here. So this may likely be a buy very soon, especially if the price can extend down and touch this line here. So this is going to be the best place to look for a buy from, or you may wait and buy it when the price is somewhere here. So this is around 3507.7. My next instrument is the Brent oil. So with the Brent oil, so far we are having a resistance there, we are having another one there, then you're having another one there, then you have another one there, and then you have another level. So these are the levels I'm looking at on this chart this month. I'm looking at this level here, I'm looking at this level, I'm looking at this level, I'm looking at this level here, and I'm looking at the level we have at the top, which is this one here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.